Today I'm going to show you how to add a new canvas to your Showit website. Canvases can be split into two categories: page canvases and site canvases. Page canvases are used once on your website. Site canvases, on the other hand, are used across your entire website. There is one master site canvas which is saved under your site canvases list. Any updates made to the master site canvas will automatically carry across your entire website wherever that site canvas has been added. To add a new canvas to your Showit website, select the page that you would like to add the canvas to. Select the Page tab to access the canvas list. Next, we want to select the ellipses icon next to the page name to add site canvases as desired. Finally, we want to select the ellipses icon next to the page name again to add blank canvases as desired to create canvas designs from scratch for the page content. Once finished, we can review the mobile design and adjust the page layout accordingly.